Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be showing you how to use PDF.co and make to easily remove a page containing a specific keyword from your PDF documents. To learn more, check out the link to the full tutorial in the description box below. And be sure to visit PDF.co for additional information and helpful resources. We will be using a sample PDF document with multiple pages to demonstrate how to search for text in a PDF document and remove the pages containing the specified keyword. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Make account and create a new scenario. Next, proceed to add the Google Drive app. And choose the Download a File option to obtain the file from your Google Drive folder. Let's set up the Google Drive settings. Begin by connecting your Google Drive account to Make. Then choose the Select from the lists to enter the file ID. And choose My Drive as the drive to be used. Finally, enter the folder and file name in the file ID. Once you have completed the configuration steps, you can proceed to run the scenario. The scenario ran successfully and retrieved the file from the Google Drive folder. We will now add another module to search for specific text in PDF documents and remove any page containing the specified keyword. And select the PDF.co app. Then choose the Search Text in PDF feature to locate specific text within the PDF document. Let's set up the configuration. Begin by connecting your PDF.co account to Make by adding your API key. You can obtain the API key from your PDF.co dashboard. Select the Upload a File option in the Input File field to automatically fetch the downloaded file from Google Drive. Add the specific text that you want to search for within the PDF document. After configuring the settings, you can now proceed to run the scenario to search for the specified text within the PDF document. PDF.co has successfully searched for the specified text within the PDF document and provided an output URL containing the results. Let's continue by adding another application and deleting the page that contains the specified keyword. Let's proceed with integrating another application by selecting PDF.co. And choose the Make an API call option. Let's configure the settings. Input the PDF delete pages endpoint to remove the specific page from the PDF document. Choose the Upload Files and Inject as URL param option to automatically upload the downloaded file from Google Drive. Specify the desired name for your output file. Under the body parameter, enter pages for the key. And input the value to delete the page based on the specified keyword. After successfully configuring the settings, run the scenario to remove the specific page from the PDF document. We successfully deleted the specific page containing the keyword from the PDF document. Copy the URL and paste it into your browser to view the output. Here is the PDF document from which we have successfully removed the page containing the specified keyword. We have a lot of tutorials available on our PDF.co website. You may also visit our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.